Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a RAM upgrade that could breathe new life into your Dell Inspiron 3275 or 3475. We're talking about the OWC 16GB DDR4 2133MHz SODIMM memory module. If you've been experiencing sluggish performance, slow loading times, or just general frustration with your Dell Inspiron, upgrading the RAM is often the most cost-effective solution. This OWC module is specifically designed to be compatible with the Dell Inspiron 3275 and 3475 models, taking the guesswork out of finding the right memory. This is a 16 GB module, which is a significant upgrade for most users. Moving from 4 GB or 8 GB to 16 GB can make a world of difference, especially if you're running multiple applications simultaneously, working with large files, or doing any kind of content creation. The OWC module operates at 2133 MHz, which is the speed it can transfer data. It's a PC4-17000 module, meaning it has a peak transfer rate of 17,000 MB/s. The CL15 latency indicates the delay between the memory controller requesting data and the memory module providing it. Lower latency is generally better, but 15 is a standard and acceptable value for DDR4 memory. It's a 1.2V module, which is the standard voltage for DDR4 SODIMM memory. This lower voltage helps to reduce power consumption and heat generation, which is especially important in laptops and all-in-one computers like the Inspiron. The 260-pin SODIMM form factor is the standard for laptop memory, ensuring a proper fit in your Dell Inspiron. It's also non-ECC, which means it doesn't have error correction. ECC memory is typically used in servers and workstations where data integrity is paramount. For everyday use in a home or office environment, non-ECC memory is perfectly adequate. Installation is generally straightforward. Consult your Dell Inspiron's manual for specific instructions on how to access the memory slots. Typically, it involves removing a panel on the back of the computer and carefully inserting the SODIMM module into the slot. Make sure to align the notch on the module with the notch in the slot and press down firmly until the clips on either side click into place. After installing the new RAM, it's a good idea to run a memory test to ensure that the module is working correctly. Windows has a built-in memory diagnostic tool that you can use. Overall, the OWC 16GB DDR4 2133MHz SODIMM memory module is a great option for upgrading the RAM in your Dell Inspiron 3275 or 3475. It's compatible, it's fast, and it's easy to install. If you're looking to improve the performance of your Inspiron, this is definitely a worthwhile upgrade to consider.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.